It's been a roller coaster, but you stayed. And now I'm taking over for the day. Cause I can be what you wanna be. And I can feel but you lie for me. Take me to a place I'm calling for. Open up the doors, I'm knocking on.
Hello guys and welcome back to Team Guidelight English channel. So today I'm going to share with you the key features of new Creta's SX variant, which is also the most value for money variant of Creta's lineup. And also this variant is available with 1.5 liter petrol engine with manual and automatic gearbox and 1.5 liter diesel engine with manual and automatic gearbox. Also guys, Creta SX trim has a 1.4 liter turbo GDI option also, but that has entirely different set of features on offer and it is entirely a different variant. So we are not going to talk about that variant. We are going to talk about the regular SX variant, which is offered with 1.5 liter petrol and 1.5 liter diesel engine with manual and automatic gearbox. So guys, if you are new to this channel, so make sure to hit the subscribe button and click the bell icon as well. So the first feature in the SX trim is panoramic sunroof, which is the first in class feature. Kia Seltos, which is the immediate rival of Creta, doesn't have it, and we get a lot of airy feeling inside the cabin with this panoramic sunroof. And guys, the second feature of Creta SX variant is rear reclinable seats. It has a reclinable function. The first recline is at 32 degrees, second recline is at 27 degrees. And rear seat also features this very comfortable headrest cushion. And next up guys, there is auto folding wing mirrors with puddle lamp, and they are LED puddle lamp. And talking about the next key feature of SX trim, let's talk about the infotainment system. So we have got 10.25 inches HD infotainment system with capacitive touch and IPS display, which is crystal clear. It supports USB, Bluetooth, radio, images and video playback, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, voice recognition, and 6 speakers with Archemy sound system. And guys, the fifth key feature of Creta SX trim is BlueLink. We have got 50 plus connected car features. Also guys, we have got smartwatch connectivity with BlueLink, which means you can operate the BlueLink app from your smartwatch itself. And we also get advanced BlueLink feature in which you can give commands to operate specific features of the vehicle. For example, you can say the command like open panoramic sunroof or change the climate control and so on. And there are various type of commands which you can give. So this feature is very convenient and very handy, especially when you are driving the vehicle. You just have to say the command. And guys, BlueLink of SX trim will show you vehicle status, vehicle information, but there is only one feature which is missing, and it is available only in the top end trim, from which you can start the vehicle or stop the vehicle's engine from your smartphone app itself. And it is not available in the SX trim, which means you cannot preheat or cool the car before entering in it, and it is available exclusively in the top end trim. And talking about the next feature guys, we get rear manual curtain on both the rear doors. And seventh feature of Creta SX is Trio Beam LED headlamp with daytime running lights. It also gets follow me home and lead me to the vehicle function. We also get LED tail lamp, and they are looking supremely amazing. And there is 17 inches clean silver alloy wheels in the SX trim. And the 8th key feature of SX trim is cooled glove box, which works very effectively and very efficiently. The Kia Seltos doesn't get cooled glove box in any of its variants. Next up guys, we get leather wrap steering wheel, which feels extremely premium. It has tilt adjustment function. Driver side power window is auto up and down with anti-pinch. And guys, Creta's most value for money, this SX trim also get ambient lighting, which is in blue color, and it looks very premium and very upmarket. And next key aspect of Creta's SX trim is safety features. All the safety features of SX trim you can check on your display screen. So we have got dual front airbag, ABS with EBD, front seat belt with pretensioner and reminder, emergency stop signal, high speed alert system, impact sensing auto door unlock, speed sensing auto door lock, engine immobilizer, low line tire pressure monitoring system, which will just give you a slight reminder, central locking, reverse parking camera with steering adaptive dynamic guidelines and rear parking sensors, front fog lamp, rear defogger, rear wiper, automatic headlamp, follow me home lamp function, driver rear view monitor, electronic stability control, vehicle stability management system, hill launch assist, ISOFIX child seat mounts, and front and rear disc brakes, which means all 4 disc brakes. So the instrument cluster on SX trim looks like this, and it is pretty much basic instrument cluster. We don't get the digital display which is available only in the top end trim. And the next key aspect of SX trim is technical specification and its comparison with its rival. So the technical specification of Creta and its competitors you can check on your display screen. And next up guys, let's talk about the warranty. We get 3 warranty option over here which Hyundai calls Wonder Warranty. We get 3 years unlimited kilometers, 4 years 60,000 km and 5 year 50,000 km option. And there is 3 years roadside assistance also, which is free of cost. So if you go for the 4th year warranty or 5th year warranty package, you will save extended warranty cost. And next up guys, let's talk about the engine option. So this trim gets 1.5 liter petrol engine with manual and automatic gearbox. And you can check the complete specification along with the comparison with Kia Seltos on your display screen. And this variant also gets 1.5 liter diesel engine with manual and automatic gearbox. So guys, these were the key features of Creta's SX trim. I hope you liked the video. If you do like the video, do give your suggestions in the comment section below. Make sure to hit the subscribe button, hit the like button and click the bell icon as well. And I will see you in the next one.